Mama's been watching you. Yeah, that thing's just not working out, is it? You wanted it to, but it just couldn't happen. Because you're not in the pool. You're in your playpen. You look pretty comfy, though. You want a bottle? Yeah? You still trying to get out? Don't you take those socks off. Don't do it. Don't take your stinkies off. Don't look at me like that. Like I'm some evil mom. Hang on, let's get your bottle. Chewie, what are you doing? I see Scooby's slipper in your teeth. I don't like it. Okay, here. Lay back and take your gear. Let's see if we can pretend like you're at the beach. There. With the margarita on the ocean. Okay, so it's a far cry, but we're trying. Look at you. Wow. He's on vacation. Look at him. Yeah, funny.